Welcome everybody to day 4 of English 1C class. Now we're going to study some seafood vocabulary. You know, many of my Japanese students can speak a lot of English words, but don't know seafood. I'm always surprised. Okay, let's study today. Okay, here is our paper with some seafood vocabulary. Let's look up top here. This here in Japanese is called kamome. In English, it is seagull. Seagull. Okay. Here, this is kaiso, and in English we call it seaweed. Seaweed. Now the word weed in English means zaso. So we think seaweed is zaso. That's our idea because we don't eat it. Now this right here, this is tai. Tai, and one kind of tai in English is called red snapper. Red snapper. Red snapper is very popular in America. This is, let's see, what is that in Japanese? It is kurage. Kurage. Kurage in English is jellyfish. Jellyfish here. Okay, this right here is samma. Samma in English is pike. There are many kinds of pike fish, but samma is one type. This right here in Japanese is tara. In English, we say cod. Now it's but it's spelled with an O, C-O-D, cod. And in America, if you eat fish and chips, it's always cod. Now here we have tuna, okay, Japanese tuna or maguro, tuna. But in English, don't say S, it's not tuna. It's tuna, okay? Now here is iwashi. We always buy iwashi in a can, right? Many times. In English, iwashi is sardine, sardine. This is sama. I'm sorry, same. Same in English is shark, shark. This is saba. Saba in English is mackerel, mackerel. Okay, let's continue. Now, here we have ika. Ika in English is squid, S-Q-I-D, squid. And then here is taco in English, octopus. Oct means 8. Pus means feet. Octopus, 8 feet, okay? Octopus. And this is spelled O, but we pronounce it octopus. This is, okay, there's 2 words for this in Japanese, unagi or anago. In English, we would call it eel, eel, E-E-L. This is kani. In English, it's crab, crab, C-R-A-B. This is uni. In English, this is sea urchin, C, S-E-A. Urchin is U, U-R-C-H-I-N, sea urchin. Now this next one, you can see it's kai. This is especially murasaki kai. And in English, that is mussels. Now it's spelled different than mussel. It's different spelling. It's M-U-S-S-E-L, mussel. This is hotate. Hotate in English is scallop, scallop. This is hirame. Hirame in English is flounder, flounder. This is ebi. In English, it is shrimp. Shrimp. This is kaki. Kaki in English is oyster. Oyster. Okay, if you need, listen to this again. Let it repeat and listen to it so you can remember the sound. Okay, thank you. Now, you need to get a paper from Google Classroom. It's called Day 4 Seafood. Day 4 Seafood. And you need to look at it. I'll show you real quick. Okay, it's got the same pictures, okay? And you need to try to match. For example, this one, this is kaiso. Which one of these is kaiso? Where is it? You just click and you write number 1, okay? Whoops, there you go, write number 1 by the right answer. Okay, write all of these numbers here. B, what seafood do you like to eat? Choose some of these, don't put the number, please write the word. That will help you remember. For example, I like to eat tuna. I really like tuna, it's delicious. I like to eat sardines in a can very much. I like to eat cod with fish and chips. And I like to eat red snapper. I think red snapper is my favorite fish. Okay, now these are Danny's answers, but you think, what do you like? All right. A fish has scales, okay, and fins. Which animals are fish? They have to have scales and fins. And you write their name here. A shellfish has an outer body, all right? Which of these animals is shellfish? For example, is cod a shellfish? No, cod is not a shellfish. Don't write cod. Okay, write all these answers, and then at the end of class, you can check your answers. All right, that's it. Thank you very much. Go get the paper called Day 4 Seafood. Thank you very much, everybody. Goodbye.